Create project for loop roads in Interchange. Select Heads Pro main menu item file, then select working folder. As the dialog box opens, the working folder is selected as work. Click on button OK. Select Heads Pro main menu item file, then new / open Interchange design. Next, the project workspace opens. Change the project name as Interchange Design 1. The survey data type is selected as Total Station. Click on button Browse to select the survey data file and select the Total Station survey data file survey.txt from working folder Work. The Total Station data file is opened in Notepad. It contains 5 columns of data. These are serial number, easting, northing, ground elevation, and feature code. Here the feature code is P0 for spot levels. After viewing, close the notepad. Process Total Station survey data for loop roads in Interchange. Step 1. Select tab Process Survey Data. As the page opens for Step 1, Ground Model, click on button Create Ground Model. The message comes for model.lst and model.fil files are created. Click on Color Space for the survey feature in the list. As the color box comes, select a desired color, click on button Apply. Next, click on button Draw. The features for spot levels are drawn in the display window with ground elevations. Step 2. Select tab for Step 2, Triangulation. Click on buttons, select all and then Create Triangulation Model. As the process box comes, click on button Proceed. As the process is over, the message comes, click on button OK to close the message window. Step 3. Select tab for Step 3, Contour. For primary contours, the model name is Contour, string label C001, contour increment is 1.0 meter. For secondary contours, the model name is Contour, string label C005, contour increment is 5.0 meter. For contour elevation text, the model name is Contour, string label ELEV, at contour increment is 5.0 meter. Click on button Create Contour Model. As the process comes, click on button Run. As the process is over, click on button Save. Click on button Quit to finish the process. Next, click on button Draw Contour Model, and the contours are drawn in the display window. Design of horizontal alignment for loop roads in Interchange. Step 4. Select tab Interchange Design. As the page opens for Step 4 for horizontal alignment, the item is selected as New Halon Design. Click on button Proceed. The Heads Viewer CAD window opens with the ground model and contours. Select Viewer menu item file, then open, select the drawing crossroad.dwg. This is a typical layout plan drawing prepared by the user before, on which the interchange is to be designed. On enlarging the drawing, we see the two crossroads, one is south to north and the other is west to east, where the shenages are from lower to upper direction in the northbound road and shenages are from left to right in the eastbound road. Design of horizontal alignment for loop road string L001. Select Viewer menu item Draw. then polyline and click a set of 3 points to make a polyline. Click the right mouse button to finish the polyline. Next, select Viewer menu item Design, then Alignment, New Loop HIP Method and next, click the left and right mouse buttons on the 3-point polyline just drawn. As both the intersecting main roads are having service roads on either side, so the polyline for the loop road is started and finished on the inside edges of the service roads, drawn in the direction of traffic movement. Here the UK system of traffic is considered. Essential lengths for deceleration and acceleration lanes are to be maintained in drawing the polyline at the start and end of each loop road. As the design dialog box comes, make string label for the first loop road as L001, Shenage interval as 10 meters, make all curve radius as 90 meters, put check mark at the radius to create the loop, give lengths of lead and trail transition curves as 15 and finally click on button Apply. As the process box comes, click on button Proceed. As the process is over the message comes, click on button OK to close the message window. The alignment with reverse curve is created. Select Viewer menu item Design, then Shenage, then On. As the dialog box comes, select Model Design, string L001, Shenage interval 10, text size 1 and click on button OK. The shenages are displayed along the alignment with the reverse loop curve L001. In case any modification is done, then after the modifications click on button Apply, the design will be modified. Once the design is acceptable, click on button Save and Finish. The modeling dialog box comes, select Model Design, string L001, make shenage interval 10 meters, click on button OK. As the process box comes, click on button Proceed. As the process finishes, click on button OK. Design of horizontal alignment for loop road string L002. The procedure is same as for the design of string L001. And the alignment for string L002 for the next loop road in the interchange is created. Design of horizontal alignment for loop road string L003. The procedure is same as for the design of string L001. and the alignment for string L003 for the next loop road in the interchange is created. Design of horizontal alignment for loop road string L004. The procedure is same as for the design of string L001. And the alignment for string L004 for the next loop road in the interchange is created. As the design of horizontal alignment for all the 4 loop roads are done, select Viewer menu item File and Save As the dialog box comes, save the drawing as crossroadloops.dwg in the working folder. And close the Heads viewer. To get the data for the design of horizontal alignments of all the 4 loop roads, click on button View Halon Design, and the related Halon data are displayed in the data window of the project workspace. As the dialog box comes, user may click in button Cancel or may click the button Draw Strings, to draw the 4 loop roads in the display window. Step 5, select tab 4. Step 5 for assigning typical cross sections. The TCS03 is assigned to all the 4 loop roads, by following the UK system of traffic. For American system, user may select TCS04 in step 5. The dimensions are to be given for various strings in step 7 of the current design process. Click on button Save Schedule Data. The message comes confirming the saving of the cross-section schedule.